top growth and decline of your key performance indicators can uncover critical trends. For instance, this dashboard is showing customers with top sales growth and decline since last year to date. We see here the sales last year to date, this year to date, and sales change since last year to date. And it's all sorted descending by the sales change, and it's only showing the top and bottom 12. Let's change this to 5 or maybe to 10 to see how that affects the dashboard. Now, are you taking good care of these fast-growing clients? And why are these clients declining so much? Can you do something to reverse the trends of these declining clients? You can slice these dashboards in many different ways. In this example, I'm looking at a consolidated sales from 3 different ERP systems, each one from a different organization. Let's see how ABC Corp is doing from this perspective. There it is. How about this perspective for individual account managers, such as ACE? There it is, or maybe HAT. There it is. DataSelf comes pre-configured with dozens of top growth and decline type of dashboards, such as for gross profit, quantity sold, what products are growing the most by cost on hand, or what business units are having the biggest change in profitability. To download transaction data to Excel or other applications, click a dashboard data point like this and select View Data. Or click this button for other options. For your information, this trial does not have some of these download capabilities enabled. Click this star icon for other trial dashboards. Thanks for watching.